Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Banalytics Tips and Tricks. Today, we're going to dive into an issue that many DIY video surveillance enthusiasts face when working with affordable USB cameras. Specifically, we'll explore how high frame per second rates, or FPS, can actually become a problem rather than a benefit when it comes to CPU usage. Let's get started. Here we have two USB cameras that at first glance look almost identical. They're both affordable and easy to set up, which is why they're popular in the DIY community. However, there's a key difference between them. One of these cameras runs at a higher FPS than the other. While this might sound like a good thing, we're about to see how it impacts performance. I added the motion detection task to both cameras. You can learn more about configuring it by following the link in the top right corner. I also added the continuous recording task for both cameras. I created a dashboard and placed two cameras beside each other. Under each camera, I put the system monitor of a respective PC. Now, watch closely at the CPU usage of both cameras. Continuous recording creates a higher CPU load on the first camera, even without motion. Notice how the CPU load spikes when motion is detected on the high FPS camera. On the other hand, the lower FPS camera responds with less CPU usage. This is where Banalytics comes in. Our software allows you to skip a certain number of frames during continuous recording or motion detection, even if the camera doesn't allow that. With frame skipping enabled, notice how the high FPS camera now performs much better. The CPU load is reduced, just like the lower FPS camera. This feature is a game changer for anyone using cheap but high FPS cameras in a DIY setup. So there you have it, a real-world example of how high FPS can impact your video surveillance setup and how Banalytics VMS offers a practical solution. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on DIY video surveillance.